Did you know that 90% of the world's data was created in the last 2 years? And this is a continuing trend. So if you think about 2021, that means in the next 2 years that 90% of the world's data is going to be created again. The amount of data being collected and generated is astounding, and it's extremely difficult to try and find something useful in that data. There are about 40,000 Google searches a second, and that works out to about 5 billion a day, trying to find something useful out of all of that mess. The amount of projects being generated to collect and generate data is astounding, and a lot of people are overwhelmed and unable to use that data correctly. And if you're already feeling overwhelmed with the data that you do have, what's going to happen in 2 years' time when all the data you have only accounts for 10% of the data you will have? What you need to do is looking at your business and trying to identify where you're making assumptions. And look at the data and see if that can help you get rid of those assumptions and make it strategic decisions instead. If you can't do that, you need to identify what data you need to collect. And if you follow this method, you'll be able to start collecting the right data and be able to make strategic decisions for your business and be able to systemize it based on real data, not assumptions. Now, let me know below if you've had any wins that have followed this method, if you're feeling overwhelmed with the amount of data that you're collecting, or you simply don't know where to begin.